So, if she stays true to character, as soon as she's done eating, she will burp. And I've never heard a dog do this before, but this 6-month-old, beautiful, smoked, brindled, blue-eyed American Bulldog, and she weighs 70 pounds, I'm sorry, 75 pounds, 6 months old, should do it. And she's almost done. Seriously? Come on, Alci, do it. Oh, yes! I hope you could hear that. It wasn't one of her real loud ones.